Well, fans of minivans, this is a minivan. This is a Toyota BB, the second generation, so it says new BB, which came out in the real world in 2005 and ran up until 2016. It was also rebadged as a Daihatsu Ku or Daihatsu Materia and the Subaru Dex. So this is for the standard line. I don't know what these two numbers mean. Like, oh, the year. Duh. Standard says 2006. Standard 2006. Okay, now I know. Or I'm guessing that's correct. I'll have to check that on other boxes when I review these things. I've never seen this packaging though before. And look, it says here, standard engine. There are 4 kinds of speeds. Does this have 4 speeds? I don't think so. It's got a little plastic protecting the paint. Alright. Well, I think this is quite used because this roof is chipped quite a bit. It's quite scratched. So that's unfortunate. Yeah. Oh well. Let me find a pic here. Alright. It's a nice metallic green though. I'm sure it's probably the proper paint code for the real car. But boy, there's a lot of weird stuff. Oh man, it's all damaged, so it's too bad. Look at this, there's even extra rubber sticking out here. So, alright, well, there's nice panel gaps, and panel molding for the window molding looks good. Standard 5 spokes from Choro-Q. It's nice with this black paint and silver fog lights. And then we have this badge here, which is looking pretty good. I don't know if that's the Scion badge. No, this was never sold as a Scion, I don't think. Not this body style. I know this because I had a second generation Toyota BB in California. And it had no relationship to this bumper, at least. Maybe the headlights, though, were shared. Alright. Anyways, I'm going to have to add some black paint in there. Smoked glass there. You can see the motor. And then this side is a little better than the last other side. Black paint for the taillights, a little molded detail there. Oh, that's supposed to be the rear backup light. Nice printing again there. Number 19, a little exhaust tip sticking out. That's part of the base. And then it says 2006 there. So, standard construction, clear body, screw, tab there. I'm going to definitely have to swap out the wheels. I just don't know if I want to make those wheels I see in the photograph, although they do look kind of cool. Well, we'll have to see what happens here. Here we are with some of the swept OEM wheels that came on these green cars. I'll show you some pics in a second. So I just painted them silver, not much else to it really. Yeah, and then I have, mounting putty to have them posed in steering position, and I sunk the rear wheels in really far, but I figure why not, Alright, so let's compare it to a couple other boxy ChoroQs, including the first generation one, which I have an orange one here, with some NK RPF01s 3D printed. I purchased those myself. Let's see, I think these are Hot Wheels Real Riders on this thing, but this is a Suzuki Wagon RR. It could be Majorette wheels, not sure. And then we have a Nissan Cube. Alright. That's good enough to show you some other boxy ones. Let's let this guy spin on its own in front of those photos. And there you go, so you can see some pics of how they came with those wheels. And they're not mirrored wheels, it seems. It's just one casting wheel. So on this side of the car, they're like swept backwards, but on this side of the car, it's like they're cutting into the wind. It's cost savings. Alright, I guess we need a cartoon character. Kind of looking like an alien vehicle, so there we go. Alright, well, thank you for watching again, and I'll see you the next time I mod a ChoroQ. Probably tomorrow.